Hi there, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 5833 Chicory here in Titusville, Florida. Just want to give you a nice walkthrough. We've got our formal living room, formal dining room, into this nice big bedroom. This is your primary bedroom, and as you can see, we've got sliders out to the pool area there. So in here we do have a tub, shower, nice sink area, and closet number 1, and closet number 2. So you each get your own walk-in closet, and we do have the double sinks there, so you each get your own sink. And we will cruise right back out here again. Again, this primary bedroom, nice sized bedroom, plenty of space in here. And this does go directly out to the pool area. And I guess since we're here, let's go ahead and take a look. So you got this big open space behind you, nobody behind. Nice pool area. Let me get closer so you can kind of get a look in this pool, because this is a gorgeous pool. Nice sitting area. You can have fences here. Your next door neighbor does have a fence. And we are on a pie-shaped lot, so you get a little extra space here. We did go out through the primary bedroom. We're going to go back in through the sliders here into the living room area and kitchen. Nice big open concept. Little desk area over on the side already built in. As you can see, that was our front door, just to keep your bearings straight. The formal living room, formal dining room, into the kitchen. Lots and lots of cabinets, granite countertops. We've got lights under the counters, lights under the cabinets, lights above the cabinets. Nice oven, microwave. There is some space up there, so you can put your cool little knickknacks up there. We do have a pantry over on the side there. And this is your guest bath and pool bath. As you can see, we got a door right out to the pool there. And nice big shower area. And as we go down the hallway here, we've got our first bedroom. As you can see, we've got nice tile all throughout the house, except for in the bedrooms. We have carpet, but we do have matching tile the rest of the way through. Here's a perfect little office area. And into the next bedroom. So we've got 3 bedrooms, office area, huge kitchen, living room. Here's our laundry room with these cabinets. Everybody loves having some cabinets above your laundry. And we do have a generator with this one. We got some shelving. You've got your storm windows. Typical garage, but we do have lots of storage already built in for you, which is nice. And again, we're at 5833 Chicory here in Titusville, Florida, 32780. And if you would like to take a look at this gorgeous home, please give me a call or shoot me a text. My number again is 321-480-7662. Give you a nice view as we go through. One last time. And we will end out at the pool on this gorgeous December day. So if any of you are watching from anywhere up north, check out that sunshine. And AI is not doing this. This is what we are experiencing here in Florida on this end of December. My number again, 321-480-7662, 5833 Chicory here in Titusville, Florida, 32780. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Love to get you in here. Thanks. Bye-bye.